a really useful tool for getting video from students if you want them to maybe record themselves doing a monologue or some sort of reading, or even like for foreign language teachers doing some sort of oral examination, is Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a great utility, and I just want to go over real quick how to use it. You can use your educator sign up, and so if you just click on this, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account, and so sign up with your Sarasota County Schools email address or your Office 365 email address. I already have an account, and so I'm going to log in with my Office 365 account. I'm going to choose my Sarasota County account, and it's going to go ahead and log me in. Now the first thing I'm going to do is create a new grid, and this new grid is going to be called, we're just going to call this Student Reflections. Maybe I'm going to have them talk about what this whole coronavirus shutdown has meant for them, or share with me some things that they've done over the last couple weeks when we haven't had school. And I get a couple different options. This can be public, anyone can get it, and you can use this code down here for them to be able to get it. You can also make it whatever you want. It just has to be available. I'm going to use school email, and if you wanted, you could customize what the end of this is, but I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to click school email. You can see it automatically adds our school domain. Students in Sarasota County, though, have a different domain. It's student.sarasotacountyschools.net. So I'm going to hit student, and that'll let me or the students use it. Only people with those two email addresses can actually use this, so I don't have to worry about that grid getting hijacked by anybody. And I'm going to click next, and it says, sweet, look, you've made a grid. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and go to my grid, and it has this say hello on Flipgrid. This is automatically there. I can go ahead and delete that if I want. Or I can create a new topic, and so my new topic is going to be, something along the lines of, your thoughts. I'm just going to put that, and then the question is going to be, how has this shutdown, changed the way you live your life? All right, or something like that. All right, and we see that there's all of these different ways in which we can interact with the students. This is just a way to add media. I can record a video to them. I can upload a video, YouTube, things like that, put an image in there, or a document, something along that line. But I'm going to go ahead and create the topic. We see that I can copy this. This takes the students directly there, or I can go ahead and share directly to Teams. I'm just going to copy this and click All Set. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to my Teams. I'm going to use my class sandbox here, and I have a couple different options. I can go ahead and paste this right here, and students can click on it out of the general channel here, or I can also come to this Add tab, and if you don't see Flipgrid in there, you can go ahead and search it. Start clicking or typing search Flipgrid there. I'm going to click OK. All right, I'm going to put that code in there. And there it is, we found it. I'm going to hit save, and now the students can interact with this directly from your team. They'll click login with their Microsoft account. It'll prompt them to go ahead and either use their phone or their a webcam enabled device to record a video. You can control the length of the video. You can also control whether or not students can interact with each other's videos. There's a whole lot of stuff in there that I don't have time to go through right now, but Flipgrid's a great resource, again, if you just want to capture video and audio of your students. So whether that's them giving a quick presentation or some sort of oral response, or giving their thoughts. It's also a great way for students to connect with one another, which is more important now than ever.